Welcome back to Autobike Focus, where we dive into the world's most iconic machines, whether they ride on two wheels, four wheels, or soar above the skies. Today we turn our attention to a project that has captured the imagination of aviation enthusiasts around the globe, the 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41. Often described as the successor to the legendary MiG-31 Foxhound, the MiG-41 is Russia's highly anticipated next-generation stealth interceptor, designed to push the limits of speed, altitude, and aerospace dominance. More than just another fighter jet, it represents an ambitious leap into the realm of sixth-generation warfare, the legacy of the MiG-31. To understand the significance of the MiG-41, we must first look back at the MiG-31 Foxhound. Introduced in the 1980s, the MiG-31 was designed to patrol Russia's vast airspace, intercept bombers, and counter high-speed threats. With its Mach 2.8 top speed and long-range radar, it became one of the fastest and most formidable interceptors in the world. For decades, it held the line in Arctic conditions, deterring intrusions and ensuring rapid response capability. However, as technology evolved, the need for a new interceptor became clear, one that could address stealth aircraft, hypersonic missiles, and space-based threats. This is where the MiG-41 comes in. Development goals: a leap beyond fifth generation. The MiG-41 is not merely an upgrade. It is envisioned as a completely new aircraft that moves Russia into the sixth generation of fighter design. While many nations are still perfecting fifth-generation stealth fighters, Russia aims to leapfrog directly into the next era. The goals are ambitious: a jet capable of reaching speeds of Mach 4 to Mach 5, operating at extreme altitudes, and equipped with weapons to counter hypersonic threats. Unlike multi-role fighters, the MiG-41 is envisioned primarily as an interceptor, designed to defend vast Russian airspace against advanced strategic threats. Design and aerodynamics shaped for speed. The 2026 MiG-41's design reflects its mission for extreme performance. Renderings and leaks suggest a sleek, needle-nose fuselage, delta wings, and a sharp, angular profile optimized for supersonic and hypersonic flight. Composite materials and radar-absorbing coatings will reduce radar cross-section, giving the aircraft stealth characteristics while maintaining structural integrity at high speeds. Unlike conventional fighters, the MiG-41 must endure immense heat and stress at Mach 4+, requiring advanced cooling systems and heat-resistant alloys. Its aerodynamic profile prioritizes stability at extreme altitudes and efficient supersonic cruising, ensuring it can chase and neutralize the fastest aerial threats. Powerplant engines for hypersonic ambition. At the heart of the MiG-41 lies its most ambitious element, the powerplant. Reports suggest that Russia is developing next-generation turbine ramjet hybrid engines capable of propelling the aircraft beyond Mach 4. These engines would operate as conventional turbofans at lower speeds, but transition to ramjet mode at hypersonic velocities. Advanced afterburners and thermal management systems are critical to sustaining such speeds without engine failure. If successful, this would make the MiG-41 one of the fastest military aircraft ever built, outpacing anything currently in service worldwide. Performance expectations breaking limits. The MiG-41's projected performance figures are staggering. A maximum speed of Mach 4.3 has been mentioned in reports, placing it far beyond the capabilities of the MiG-31 or Western fighters. Its service ceiling is expected to exceed 30,000 meters, pushing it into the edge of near-space operations. At these altitudes, the MiG-41 could potentially intercept satellites in low Earth orbit or track hypersonic glide vehicles. Range is another crucial factor. Estimates suggest up to 7,000 kilometers with aerial refueling, allowing it to cover Russia's enormous borders with unprecedented speed. Stealth and survivability. Unlike the MiG-31, which relied on brute speed and radar power, the MiG-41 integrates stealth technologies. Radar-absorbing coatings, serrated intakes, and internal weapons bays will help reduce detection. However, stealth at hypersonic speeds is a challenge, as the heat signature becomes enormous. To counter this, engineers are reportedly developing advanced cooling systems and plasma stealth concepts to reduce visibility to enemy radar. Survivability is enhanced through next-generation countermeasures, electronic warfare suites, and the ability to operate outside the effective range of many air defenses. Weapon systems hunting the future. The MiG-41 is designed to carry an arsenal unlike any interceptor before it. Internal bays will house long-range air-to-air missiles capable of striking targets more than 300 kilometers away. Specialized hypersonic missiles are expected to target stealth bombers, fighters, and even low-orbit satellites. Reports have also suggested the development of laser weapons, potentially for intercepting incoming missiles. With its speed and altitude, the MiG-41 could act as the ultimate anti-access platform, neutralizing threats before they enter Russian airspace. Avionics and Sensor Suite. The 2026 MiG-41 is expected to feature an advanced avionics suite built around AI-assisted combat systems. Its radar will likely be an evolution of the Zaslon phased array radar used in the MiG-31, with expanded range and multi-target tracking. Infrared search and track systems, satellite uplinks, and electronic warfare capabilities will allow it to detect stealth aircraft at long distances. Artificial intelligence integration means the aircraft may operate semi-autonomously, reducing pilot workload and enabling coordinated swarm tactics with drones. Role in Russian defense strategy. The MiG-41 plays a unique role in Russia's defense doctrine. Unlike multi-role fighters such as the Su-57, the MiG-41 is designed specifically to defend airspace and counter strategic threats. It is Russia's answer to hypersonic weapons, stealth bombers, and reconnaissance aircraft. With its range and speed, it can patrol remote areas like the Arctic, where Russian security interests are expanding. Its potential space intercept capability could also redefine military doctrines, introducing a new dimension of near-space warfare. There goes competition. A unique class. Globally, no direct equivalent to the MiG-41 exists. The United States and China are developing sixth-generation fighters, but these are multi-role platforms focused on stealth, networking, and versatility. The MiG-41 is unique in being a dedicated interceptor, built for speed and strategic defense. Its closest comparisons are experimental hypersonic aircraft and high-altitude reconnaissance vehicles, rather than traditional fighters. If successful, it will create a niche of its own, extending Russian air defense into realms few others have reached. Challenges and criticism. While the MiG-41's promises are bold, challenges remain. Developing reliable hypersonic engines, managing heat at extreme speeds, and integrating cutting-edge stealth technologies are monumental tasks. Critics argue that the program may face delays or funding issues, especially given the complexity and cost of such an ambitious aircraft. Skeptics also question whether the MiG-41 will enter mass production or remain a limited prototype. Yet, if realized, it could become one of the most significant breakthroughs in military aviation in decades. Timeline and production. By 2026, reports suggest that prototypes of the MiG-41 are undergoing advanced testing, with operational capability targeted for the late 2020s. Production numbers will likely be limited initially, focusing on elite interceptor squadrons tasked with defending critical airspace. If successful, the MiG-41 could serve well into the mid-21st century, carrying forward Russia's legacy of fast, powerful interceptors. Conclusion: the edge of possibility. The 2026 Mikoyan MiG-41 represents the boldest attempt yet to redefine what an interceptor can achieve. With its projected hypersonic speed, near-space capabilities, advanced stealth, and futuristic weapon systems, it stands at the edge of aerospace possibility. While challenges remain, its potential to reshape aerial warfare cannot be underestimated. Here at Autobike Focus, we celebrate machines like the MiG-41 because they remind us that human ambition and engineering knows no limits, whether on the ground, on two wheels, or soaring at the edge of space.